Hey YouTube, Pat here again. Working on getting the motor out. I'm waiting by myself right now, waiting for my buddy to come over. But I have already undone one side of engine mount, and the header for that side is hanging down. So I made kind of an interesting discovery. Somebody's done some work on the exhaust for this thing, so there's like somebody welded in a straight pipe basically. I mean, it's got cats, but it's pretty much a straight pipe all the way back to the muffler. So that's interesting. Not sure what I'll do with that. Probably nothing. But yeah, let's see here. I'm gonna do some incremental filming today. So this will be one of my rare edited together videos. Alrighty, made a little bit more progress here. Got the engine hoist hooked up, took the hood off. Engine is almost out. Just got to unbolt the fly launch and come right out. All right,
we rolling?
We rolling.
We rolling.
Let's pull this bitch out.
Okay.
You get anything? No. Nothing in any points. It was the... Don't worry about it. I know.
We're still stuck. Power steering wheel.
Oh, ball sack. Gotta undo that power steering wheel.
It's dirty, but it runs pretty well. Out of nowhere.
Probably should figure out a way to plug that.
You didn't drain the reservoir, I'm guessing.
Nope. Didn't drain the reservoir.
Well, harvesting the SVX at the Subaru farm.
It is harvest time at the Subaru farm.
Legacy wagon, 92X Aero, SVX, and you can kind of sort of see the Impreza in the garage. What did you say about the Forester?
I said so, it got out, so I'm going to have to get it. At the Subaru farm.
Dirty, dirty valve covers. Dirty, dirty. Everything's out, just about, except for that one line. No interior left. And ready to go into that, which still needs wheels and tires.
Now the internet has seen my filthy garage.
It's a farm, man. It's a farm.
I'll clean it when the Impreza's running. I promise. I'll clean it when the Impreza's running.
Ah. Well, I'll help you, and we'll oh no, we'll do something to the RX-7 here. Fuck it, man. Take a sandblaster, stick it at the top. Backup motor. Dear God, this motor's fucking dirty. better take a power washer to it.
Maybe.
And it's out.
Huh?
And it's out.
Now, I want to put it on the engine stand.
Look at that. Fresh crop. Going with an artistic angle, it's like slightly tilted. That's how all the cool kids do it these days.
Truth.
And look at them, they've made billions of dollars.
Well, I guess that's pretty much it. Well, it's the end of the day here. Finished up pulling the motor out, got it on the engine stand, and that's where we stand. I'll put up another video here soon, as always. If you want to figure out what I'm doing, follow me on Twitter. Yeah, I'm beat. Can't even think of a word to say. So, I'm going to turn off the camera and go take a much needed shower. See ya.